Hello guys, welcome for my YouTube channel. On today's videos I'm going to show how to change the battery for iPhone X. So the first thing you have to do, you have to remove all the two screws at the back here to open the phone. Then you try to open the screen. You start from the downstairs here and be careful to open it. Open it right on like this. Okay, and don't open it full, just slide it down a bit and open from the side because there's a connector here, so you cannot break the connector. And you have to remove this cover here. You have to remove all those 4 screws to remove the cover, disconnect the LCD so I can have a free chance to change the battery. Make sure you have all the correct tools because iPhone have different type of screw. You take out the LCD, be careful to remove the connector, remove the LCD, then you disconnect the battery, okay, then you try to remove the battery, be careful, you raise it up like this, okay. Be careful for the connectors. Just put under the battery and try to ease the battery up. Okay. Because this one they removed it before, so it's very easy to take out. Raise it up slowly, don't force it. Remove the rubber. Now it's time to replace the new battery. You take out the plastic from the back like this. Make sure you be careful for the glues. Okay. Then you make sure you replace it. Before you fix the battery on the glue side, make sure you fix the battery terminal first. At least you can get the exact position for the battery. You fix the battery terminal first, okay, then you lay the battery straight, okay, because if you don't fix the battery terminal first, you might fix the battery and the position for the terminal will miss. So you make sure you fix that one first before you put the battery downside like this, okay. Then you remove the battery terminal again, then try to replace the new LCD. Take out this plastic so that the battery will not overheat, okay. Then you replace the LCD first before you fix the battery terminal again. Replace the LCD. Okay. Replace all the cable. This is the front sensor. Make sure you replace it properly. Be careful when you're doing it. Make sure you know how to do it slowly. Don't spoil the LCD. Okay. After you finish all the cable, you have to connect the battery now. The battery is the last one you're supposed to connect. Okay. Then you fix the cover. You place all the screw back, you take out. Make sure you place all the screw. After you finish, you place all the screw. Now it's time to close it. You start to close from the top. Okay, you try to close from the top first. Make sure the top is first rest before you rest the back. Okay, you rest everything. You replace the screw back. Don't forget the screw. You replace all the 2 screw back at the back of the phone here. Place all the 2 screws. Then you put the charger first. Put on charge directly first and see. Then it comes on. Okay, now it's okay. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.